In the blink of an eye, the world is transformed. From the first light of day to the twilight of night, one constant companion remains ever present. It's the computer, a marvel of engineering and intellect, silently humming in the background of our lives. From the gentle tapping of keys to the soft glow of screens, computers have become an integral part of our existence. It's hard to imagine a world without them. Their rise has been nothing short of a revolution, transforming every facet of human life. Let's embark on a journey through time, to the dawn of the computing age. In the earliest days, computers were gargantuan mechanical leviathans. They were the brainchild of ingenious minds like Charles Babbage and Ada Lovelace. Their ideas were the foundation for what was to come, the era of vacuum tubes. This period was dominated by machines like the ENIAC, a colossal invention that devoured entire rooms. Despite its imposing size, it was less capable than a modern calculator. In fact, the ENIAC had to be programmed by manipulating cables and switches, a painstakingly tedious and time-consuming process. Troubleshooting issues was like finding a needle in a haystack, given the enormous complexity of the system. It was also a hog, consuming as much electricity as a small town and generating so much heat that air conditioning was required to prevent overheating. These early were indeed impressive feats of engineering, but they were a far cry from the sleek and efficient machines we are accustomed to today. The challenges faced during this time were massive, but they paved the way for the incredible advancements in computing that we see today. The invention of the transistor in the late 40s was a watershed moment in the realm of technology. The transistor, first developed and demonstrated by Bell Laboratories, represented an enormous leap forward from the prevailing vacuum tube technology. Unlike vacuum tubes, which were bulky and prone to overheating, transistors were significantly smaller, faster in operation, and far more reliable. The transition from vacuum tubes to transistors marked a significant breakthrough, essentially redefining the landscape of electronics. Transistors, due to their petite size and increased efficiency, could be used in greater numbers the same space, opening up new horizons in electronic design and complexity. Moreover, transistors laid the foundation for the development of integrated circuits, which are the fundamental building blocks of modern computers. Integrated circuits, made possible by transistors, compress thousands of electronic components into a small chip, revolutionizing computer design. As these chips became smaller and more sophisticated, they allowed for a corresponding reduction in the size of computers. The colossal, room-sized machines of the early computer quickly became obsolete, making way for more compact and practical desktop machines. This monumental shift was a direct outcome of the invention of the transistor and its transformative impact on the world of technology. The technological revolution of the 70s and 80s was marked by the emergence of personal computers, two of which stand out: the Apple II and IBM PC. The Apple II, launched in 1977 by Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, was a monumental stride in personal computing. Equipped with a user-friendly interface and a built-in keyboard, it had a color display and was capable of using floppy disks for storage, a revolutionary feature for the time. This machine truly brought computing into the domestic realm, making it accessible to the average user. Parallelly, the IBM PC was paving its own way. Released in 1981, this machine was targeted towards businesses, offering features like a powerful 16-bit processor and an open architecture. Its innovative design allowed for the addition of third-party hardware and software, which was a game-changer in the industry. It ushered in an era of standardization in personal computing, with its operating system Mississippi, DOS, becoming a norm in the industry. These two machines, Apple II and IBM PC, fueled a seismic shift in how computing was perceived and utilized. They transformed computers from being specialized tools restricted to labs and corporations to everyday appliances used in homes and offices. Their software advancements and user-friendly interfaces paved the way for the ubiquitous presence of computers in our lives today. As the 20th century neared its end, a significant change was set into motion, which would forever alter the way the world works. A novel invention, the Internet, began to revolutionize the world of computers. Formerly seen as mere calculating devices, computers were catapulted into a new era of capabilities. The Internet facilitated a realignment of computing power, birthing a new phase known as the Internet Revolution. This revolution integrated computers into our daily lives in a way that was previously unimaginable. From online shopping to distance education, the internet revolution introduced a new dimension to our everyday activities, making them as seamless as possible. Central to the internet revolution was the advent of the World Wide Web. The World Wide Web is a system of interconnected documents and other resources linked by hyperlinks and URLs that turned our machines into potent communication tools. It was a transformative leap in the history of the internet and information technology. It introduced us to a world where information was not only digital, but also globally accessible. With the advent of the World Wide Web, each computer became a window to the world, connecting people and information like never before. It was no longer just about automating calculations, it was about accessibility, interactivity, and connectivity. The impact of the World Wide Web on society was profound. It democratized information, breaking down barriers to knowledge, transforming the way we learn, work, and interact. Moreover, it reshaped industries from education to finance, media to healthcare, creating a digital society that thrives on information accessibility. In conclusion, the internet revolution, sparked by the advent of the World Wide Web, was a defining moment in the 20th century. It altered our perception of computers and created a wave of change that continues to impact society and computing to date. As the new millennium dawned, the evolution of computers took an unprecedented turn, witnessing a drastic reduction in size and an increase in portability. This era was marked by the emergence of laptops, smartphones, and tablets, which revolutionized computing, turning it into a truly personal experience. Starting with laptops, they evolved from bulky, heavy machines to sleek, lightweight devices that could easily be carried around. These portable powerhouses offered a full-sized keyboard, a large screen, and an astounding storage capacity, making them perfect for both work and play. Enhanced battery life, faster processors, and high-resolution displays are only a few among the myriad of features that have made laptops an indispensable tool in our daily lives. Simultaneously, smartphones took the world by storm, providing a universe of information right at our fingertips. They sported compact designs, touchscreen interfaces, and a plethora of applications ranging from productivity to entertainment. Furthermore, features such as built-in cameras, GPS, and internet connectivity revolutionized how we communicate, navigate, and consume media. Tablets, with their larger screens and powerful processors, bridged the gap between smartphones and laptops. They provided an ideal platform for digital reading, artistry, and media consumption, while maintaining a level of portability akin to smartphones. With features like multitasking capabilities, stylus support, and a long-lasting battery life, tablets became a favored choice for many. These devices have profoundly impacted our lives, enabling us to work from anywhere, stay connected with loved ones, access unlimited sources of entertainment, and even navigate unknown territories. Indeed, the introduction of laptops, smartphones, and tablets has transformed the landscape of computing, making it an essential, deeply personal part of our everyday lives. As we perch on the threshold of a fresh epoch, the prospect of what lies ahead in the world of computing is teeming with potential. The future landscape of computing is not only going to be innovative but also transformative. It's an exciting possibility that the next generation of computing could change the way we live, work, and play. Driving a significant portion of this transformation is artificial intelligence. This cutting-edge technology is revolutionizing computing by enhancing the cognitive capabilities of machines. By simulating human intelligence processes, AI is making our computers more intuitive, intelligent, and responsive. It's enabling them to learn from experiences, understand complex content, recognize patterns, and make decisions. Imagine a world where your computer not only responds to your commands but can anticipate your needs. Quantum computing, another critical facet of this future, holds the extraordinary promise of unlocking unprecedented levels of computational power. This power will stem from its ability to perform multiple calculations simultaneously, a feat impossible for classical computers. Quantum computers could solve complex problems in seconds that would take current supercomputers thousands of years to crack. Moreover, the Internet of Things is weaving computers into the very fabric of our everyday lives. This interconnectivity revolution is embedding smart connected everywhere from our homes and offices to cars and cities. It's creating a world where anything that can be connected will be connected, allowing for seamless interaction and exchange of data between devices. This level of connectivity could lead to smarter, more efficient systems that could transform the way we live. Each of these technologies has the potential to shape the future of computing in its way, creating a world where the limits of what computers can do are continually pushed and redefined. So what should we gather from this odyssey? The realm of computers has seen a tremendous evolution, morphing from monolithic, room-occupying structures to pocket-sized powerhouses. These devices have transcended from being niche gizmos to becoming omnipresent partners in our lives. But what does the future look like? The computer revolution is by no means nearing its end. Instead, it's actively sculpting our world, revolutionizing the way we live and work while introducing us to technologies that were unthinkable just a few years ago. The impact is profound and far-reaching. Computers have breached the boundaries of offices and labs and have established themselves at the heart of our homes. They've altered the way we communicate, learn, and even how we manage our health. In the future, we can anticipate even more dramatic developments. Concepts like quantum computing and artificial intelligence, which are currently in their nascent stages, may redefine our understanding of computers. Additionally, the prospect of fully immersive virtual and augmented reality experiences could revolutionize personal and professional interactions. Therefore, it's safe to say that our journey with computers is not only ongoing, but promises to be more exciting, transformative, and impactful in the years to come. Hence, maintain that spark of insatiable curiosity. Persistently deep dive into the infinite realm of exploration. Computers and technology are akin to an enormous ocean, filled with hidden treasures that are yet to be discovered. As this amazing world of computers continues to unfold, it brings with it limitless potential for advancement and innovation. Each discovery, each invention, reiterate the fact that in the field of computer technology, the possibilities are truly endless. So keep your curiosity alive, continue exploring, and witness the awe-inspiring marvels that the future of computing technology holds for us.